So, welcome to the Python video, just showing you what you get when you buy the Raspbian standard image from us. I do apologise for the poor quality of the video, but this is our first video and just don't have the equipment. So we're going to have to make do with this at the moment. They'll get better, I promise. See, stupid autofocus. Anyway, there's the Pi booting up. Doesn't take long. Gonna log in. Standard login is Pi and the password is Raspberry. Now when you download the image from the raspberrypi.org website, you'll get a config screen come up the first time. We've done this for you, but to access it you just type in sudo raspi-config. This lets you, most importantly, lets you expand the file system to fit the size of the SD card, but we've done that for you. You can change your language and your time. Memory split's quite important. You've only got 256 mega RAM and that's shared with the video card. By default it's 192 megabytes for memory and 64 for the video card, but you can change that using this configuration tool. Now I've just started the desktop. That's with StartX. Just type StartX from the command line. And what we've done in this image, just to help you out, is supply a couple of games. Primarily to test the sound, because I certainly have been having a bit of trouble with sound. Yeah, it's loud. Kiyu's the first game that we've supplied. I've decided on Kiyu because you can run it from the command line or from the desktop. It's a particularly well-behaved program that seems to work in all sorts of conditions, so this is quite a good one to test your sound. And it's got surround sound for some reason. It's a Tetris clone, but it's actually quite good. There's lots of surprises in store for you for that one. Just for a bit of retro, we've also supplied what used to be SimCity 1. Micropolis is now branded. This is SimCity 1 basically. Again, this has some sound, so you can test sound. And it's just a good game. A bit retro, but I like it.
Seaport. Nuclear power.
What I like to do is build a power station and then build houses around it and see what happens.
Rail. Wire.
Just connect up the electricity.
Road.
Give the impending mutants a road. Oh, and somebody's set up house. That's good. Anyway, that's Micropolis. The desktop, as standard, comes with the Midori browser, which is pretty good, I have to say. Scratch for the kids. See, it's pretty responsive. And the final game we've included is a charityware game that my kids really love, called Penguin's Puzzle. I like this because it uses it uses a 3D graphics card, OpenGL ES2, I presume. It's not exactly AAA standard graphics yet, but this is quite a nice little game, and it's fiendishly difficult later on. I mean, I'll show you how to get through the first level. believe me, it gets much more. My kids love it. So those are the 3 games we've added. I mean, you can download these games yourself. It's just really to help you get started, check the sound, and have a bit of fun from Python. If you type top from the command line, you'll see the memory split up the top there, showing 189. So it's the 192 megabyte memory split. I like running top because it looks good. And this is the 4 gigabyte card. Leaves you just under 2 gigabytes free. 45% of the card is used up by the operating system.